Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Fitbit Versa 4. First, make sure your new device is fully charged. This usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. Next, download the Fitbit app from your phone's app store. It's available for both Apple and Android devices. Once installed, open the app and ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. This prepares your phone to find and connect with your Versa 4, making the initial pairing smooth and easy. Now let's get your Versa 4 paired. Open the Fitbit app on your phone, tap your profile picture in the top left corner, and then select Set up a device. Choose the Versa 4 from the list. Your watch will display a 4-digit code. Enter this code into the app when prompted. Accept the various terms and conditions, and your Versa 4 will begin syncing, which might take a few minutes to complete. Once paired, it's time to make your Versa 4 truly yours. In the Fitbit app, you can explore and change your watch face to suit your style. Navigate to the gallery section to find hundreds of free and premium options. You can also customize which notifications appear on your wrist, ensuring you only get the alerts that matter most to you. Set your daily goals for steps, active zone minutes, and sleep for personalized tracking. To get the most out of your Versa 4, remember a few key tips. Sync your device with the Fitbit app at least once a day to ensure all your health and fitness data is up to date. Keep your Versa 4 clean by wiping it down weekly with a soft, damp cloth, especially after workouts. For consistent tracking, charge your device approximately every 6 days, as its battery typically lasts for 6+ days on a single charge.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.